In this video, we will see task dependencies or task constraint types. Select the task you want to assign constraint, double click on it, then in task information tab go to advanced. There you will find a constraint type and you will see there are many options available here. Here are type of task dependencies in MSP 2016. We will understand constraints in Microsoft Project 2016 into three categories, that is flexible, semi-flexible and inflexible. And in flexible category we will find as soon as possible and as late as possible constraints. Let's see first one, as soon as possible. All the tasks you enter primarily in MSP have as soon as possible constraint, given that you schedule your project from its start date. If you schedule your project from finish date, there are other constraints like as late as possible. We will come to that shortly. As the name suggests, as soon as possible, the activity should start as soon as possible. This constraint doesn't determine when a task occurs. For example, unlike other constraints, it doesn't specify any start or finish timing or date. Like in start no earlier than, finish no later than, and other remaining constraints, we have to give specific dates and determine start or finish dependencies. It is default constraint assigned to all the activities unless you choose different one. Second one is as late as possible. As I have said earlier, when we schedule project from the end date, project automatically applies this constraint to every task. It is as just flexible as soon as possible, but the one problem with as late as possible constraint is that they don't leave any wiggle room for delays if something goes wrong. So if you have to delay a task with this type of constraint, its successor, and in many cases the project's finish date gets delayed as well. Now coming to the semi-flexible category of constraints, it includes four constraints: start no earlier than, finish no earlier than, start no later than, and finish no later than. First two constraints come in picture when you schedule your task or schedule project from start date. The next two constraints come in picture when you schedule your task or schedule your project from end date. So when we are planning from start date, we use these two constraints, and when we plan from end date, we use these two. Let's see, start no earlier than. We use this partly flexible date constraint for tasks that can start only after a certain date. If you type a date in a task start field in project that's scheduled from its start date, then project sets the task to this constraint type, finish no earlier than. In your project, some incidents or scenarios may come that you want your specific task to continue or not to end till specific date. If you type a date in the task's finish field in project that's scheduled from its start date, project gives this constraint type to activities. Start no later than. This date constraint sets the latest date, or we can say last date, that a task can begin. In some situations, you know that if I delay the start date of this task after this date, it will surely going to get affect the schedule. For situations like this, select this constraint and type date in task start field. Finish no later than. You can apply this date constraint to control the latest date or the last date for the task to finish. Some specific task has to end before certain date. It's like giving a final deadline to the task. You know, if you cross this deadline, entire project will get affected. Coming to the third and last inflexible type of constraint. First one in that is must start on. This date constraint is completely inflexible. It specifies when a task starts, no ifs, no buts. Moreover, this constraint types overrides any task dependencies you set. Because of that, avoid using this type of constraint unless it's absolutely necessary. Overrides any dependencies means this task, that is must start on, is given priority or importance over other task dependencies. And the last one is must finish on. A control freak when it comes to the task finish date. This constraint specifies the exact date when a task ends. like must start on, it also overrides task dependencies and is best left unused unless absolutely necessary. For many more videos like this, check out the playlist I have created and do subscribe my channel.